Hi, I'm Lexter, a product specialist at CV Linens. Table overlays are an easy way to add color and texture to your tablescape without breaking the bank. While your primary intent may be focused on selecting the right color and material, you'll first need to determine which size table overlay to order for your special event. We carry 4 primary sizes of square table overlays, including 54, 72, 85, and 90 inch. Which size you end up using is largely based on what size your table is and personal preference. Our 85-inch table overlays are exclusive to our luxury linen lines, such as satin rosette, but our 54, 72, and 90-inch table overlays include both standard and specialty fabrics. In this video, we're going to show you the most common table overlays and round table size combinations to help you decide which will be the best option for your event. Let's get started. We hope this video helps you when planning your next event. You can view our wide variety of table overlays by visiting us online at cvlinens.com or by clicking the link in the description below. If you like this video and want to see one on rectangular table overlay sizing, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.